Hi, we're from Great Valley Middle School, and this is what's so cool about manufacturing.
Dad, have you ever thought about how seats are made in buses?
I've never thought of that before.
Wouldn't it be cool if we could see how they're manufactured?
That would be cool.
Okay, let's check it out. Here at the United Safety and Survivability Corporation, seats are made for buses, fire trucks, trains, and ambulances.
Passenger engineering are the seats that sit. This is actually one of the seats.
Start at one end, and by the time it makes it through all the way, just having one piece, it adds another piece, and then by the end of it, seeing the finished product, I think that's something that's really cool and satisfying.
This is the cut and sew department. They prepare fabric for assembly. These seats provide passengers with great comfort and have a durable design.
I kind of say it kind of chose me because my whole life I've always built stuff. Me and my dad did home remodeling, so this is like a dream job for me actually. I'm responsible for, I have 2 lines that I look over just to make sure, like I said, they have all their parts that they need, make sure that they're building their correct seats and stuff like that. And pretty much just running and getting parts for them all day and just answering questions. Also the new guys that come in, I help train them to get them up to speed, so that's pretty much what I do.
In research and development, the employees work to research better and more efficient ways of making the seats. They work to upgrade them so people who use them are guaranteed to have a better experience. Once a seat has a potential upgrade installed in it, the seats then goes through testing to make sure it can withstand practical conditions.
It has a chance to improve and save lives, that you really feel like you're doing something that makes a difference in the world. So to have an actual physical product at the end of the day that you're delivering to a happy customer is pretty satisfying.
I can't believe how cool manufacturing is.
Yeah.
Now I know what's so cool about manufacturing.